A jefe le gusta la misma, entera le gusta. Aquí, saliendo con mire, y 10 veces que tiene me está poniendo más que bien que yo no voy a decir, ¿sí o no? ¿Está viendo? ¿Está viendo cómo? Estos tiempos de verano con la Biblia. Sí, ya diga, así como esto me está acordando. Yo no lo estoy acordando, pero es que está él, no estoy acordando. No tuviera él ahí, sí, pero estoy escuchando que lo que estoy diciendo.
Nah. Is that the water line, Agua?
I don't know, it is a water line or
It looks like a water line.
Or a sprinkler, I don't know.
We don't. We have a water line. Yeah, just yeah. We do have a sprinkler system, but I think it's the same pipe.
Oh, okay.
Because they don't have any water now. As you turn the water off to this unit,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, turn it off if you've got a leak. But you're going to repair it, right, tonight?
Yes.
Thanks. We need agua. That's the water key right there. Water key to turn the water off. Water key.
La cegueta nomás.
La cegueta,
Yo vi que moviste de chacatana.
Se movió, pues. Yo voy a ver que no está bien pegado.
Está apretado para adentro, ¿no?
Y Meme me queda viendo.
Vamos a descansar.
Ay, qué esperado, tú te pegas, te pegas.
Nada, estamos todo el pavo
un marrito, de esto que te prestan de un marrito. Para la varilla. ¿Ah? Dice que te tenés que parar 5 horas.
The boss of the crew of the Comcast subcontractors, his name is Jose. I introduced myself to him, and he said that we're going to wait about 15 minutes before they turn the water on to make sure that the repair job on the PVC piping will hold. And tomorrow they're going to continue their burrowing of the Comcast cable all the way to the end to where the Quadrichakis unit is, and then go along the side between Quadrichakis and the Hilton Dupree's. So that would be our north side. Just to let you know. Bye-bye.
Vamos a abierta.
Yeah.
Hey, Dan Martin. Hey, Dan, how are you? Matt here. Jose, is it holding? Any leaks?
No.
Water pressure's back on?
Yes.
Okay. So you're coming back tomorrow to finish? You'll go all the way down to that end of the, and take a left? Thank you.
No
Just wait. Español. Cuidado, cuidado, cuidado aquí. Mi casa. Okay, cuidado.